Previously on Hemi Muscle.
We head up here to look at these Tahoes. This is a 21 joint right here. That joint gets too small. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, man. But before we get this video started, hit the like button, subscribe. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Excuse me, man, with these daggone braces, bro. I can barely daggone talk. Hopefully I'll be getting these joints off soon. But anyway, man, before we get this video started, I want to say, man, y'all crazy, man. Y'all Mopar no car people out of control, man. I put my last video, man. Some of y'all people, man, just went nuts. Y'all went nuts, man. But it's all good, man. Ain't no love laws. I understand. But I'm not selling my car, bro. I'm not trading my car in. I'm looking at the numbers. I might just have to wait for the Tahoe prices to come down a little bit, because I do want a Tahoe. Probably have to get a used one. Wait for some of them to come off a lease, or some lease trade-ins or something like that, and try to get one a little cheaper. But yeah, some of y'all, man, y'all went crazy on me, bro. That's so funny, man. But I appreciate the love, though. I know everybody. I know we all love these cars, man. Ain't no love laws. But yeah, man, I'm not getting rid of my Scat, bro. I love this car too much. I love this car a lot. I'm not gonna say I love it too much, but I do like my car. Hold on, this daggone sun, bro. Really enjoy driving my Scat, man. It'd be real hard for me to trade this car in. But guys, you gotta remember, man, you can't get too attached to materialistic stuff. If it came down to it, I would definitely get rid of this car, man. If it come down to my family or this car got to go, bro. So it's I understand that when you like something or you love something, you know it's hard to get rid of it. But man, you can't you can't get too attached to materialistic stuff, man, because it comes and goes. You don't know what the next day may bring, man. Anything can happen, man. With Fort, you had to get rid of stuff. I'm gonna tell y'all a story, man. When I was younger, my dad sold one of his cars to help me out as far as going to school and stuff like that. They wanted to get me out of DC public schools. So my dad sold one of his cars, man, but to help me do what I needed to do and to put me in a better position. And I'll never forget that, you know what I'm saying? And I'm willing to do the same thing for my kids. So if that means I gotta get rid of something in order to make things a little better for my family, that's what I'm gonna do, man. You gotta understand, that's what grown men do. I understand, people love your car, or you might love a female, or whatever the case may be, man, but you gotta always do what's right for you and yours. So when I decided, I said, hey man, I need something bigger. Yeah, if I needed to, and I had no other choice, this car would have to go. You know what I'm saying? So I never get attached to material stuff, bro. Like no clothes and no jewelry and none of that kind of stuff. I'm not saying you don't care about your stuff, but that stuff don't rule my world. That doesn't make me who I am. You know what I'm saying? Material things don't make me. That's why I was able to sell my RT, buy me a Corolla, and drive that for a few months, because I knew what I wanted to do. And I don't pay attention to what people on the outside talking about, because I know what my plan is. You gotta be like that, man. You'll find yourself being out of character to try to please somebody else. And that's the worst life to live, bro. You gotta live your life. Do what's right for you. You can't just, being in love with stuff that can go at any time is a bad deal, I'm telling you. That's why you have people going crazy, ready to kill themselves over females and all that stuff. Man, you gotta have more value for yourself, man, than that. You know what I'm saying? You can't just, but the good thing is, I look like I won't have to sell my Scat. I'll be able to do what I need to do and keep my Scat. Also, man, somebody said I only bought this car because of the trend. Bro, it's just funny, some of the things that people say, or the conclusions people come to when somebody does something against what they think they should be doing. And just think about how crazy that sounds. You judging somebody off of what you think they should be doing. Another person. Think of how ridiculous that is. I mean, it's not the wrong of voicing your opinion. I understand that, but I don't know, man. You know, everybody has their thoughts on what other people are doing, and you got to understand that that's just your opinion. You don't know what people going through. You don't know people's situation. Damn, that joint tight. That's that new Porsche electric joint. That joint hitting. So, you know, it's just funny some of the comments that were left on the video. And I don't mind people commenting. It's funny to me. I don't take this YouTube stuff too personal, you know. I'm going to respond back. I'm not going, you know, I'm a grown man at the end of the day. And I'm going to do what I want at the end of the day. Because my money, my family, I can delete my YouTube channel if I want to. And nobody know what I'm doing anyway. You know what I'm saying? So I don't really care about what nobody say. I appreciate all the people that, you know, support me, all y'all that support me. I know there's people that follow me that don't want to see me make it. And that's just life. You always gonna have people like that just watch just to see, they like to see the downfall. And that brings me to another conclusion is, so on YouTube, negativity is what go viral. Anything negative will go viral. So like I always say, you have to be tricky with your titles. You have to be kind of clever with your thumbnails. Other than that, people not going to click on it. If I wouldn't have put what I put in the title of that video, none of y'all would have clicked on it. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes you have to read the title. Some of y'all just look at the title of the video, look at the thumbnail, don't even watch the video and make a comment without even watching the video. Because if you watch the video, you hear me say I'm going to keep my scat and try to get the Tahoe. You know what I'm saying? But people immediately look at the title and look at the thumbnail and make a judgment or a conclusion about the video without even watching the video. You got to watch the video first, man. Y'all got to understand that YouTubers are competing with millions of other people, thousands of other YouTubers. So we have to be clever with the titles and the thumbnails, or nobody click on our videos. So, you know, I understand, man, and you know, this stuff is entertainment, guys. Don't take it so personal. Don't feed into it so much. We all like these cars, but you gotta understand, we regular people just like everybody else. We have problems and situations and things that come up that we have to deal with. Because really, I don't even have to share this stuff on my YouTube channel. I can just sell my car and never come back on YouTube, you know. But I appreciate my supporters, and I enjoy, you know, you guys coming along with my you know, coming along for the journey. You know, and it's, you know, it's all good, but it just some of the comments sometimes it's like, wow, like some people telling me this car is huge. Yeah, this car is big, but bro, I'm 6'4". My youngest son is 13. He damn near 6'2", or probably like 6'1". So I gotta think about the future. This car's not big enough for 3 people to be 6'4" plus in it. Yeah, you could probably fit in here where you be comfortable on long trips. You gotta understand, I have family all over. So we take road trips. You know what I'm saying? So it's crazy, man. It's amazing. But like I said, I appreciate y'all, man. I ain't no love lost. I don't really care. It's just funny. I just like to talk, you know, it's conversation. That's all. But yeah, guys, I'm not I'm not getting rid of my car, man. I'm gonna keep this joint, bro. Like I said, I'm just gonna wait to try to find me either a used Ram, maybe a used Tahoe or something like that. I really want a Trackhawk, to be honest with you. But I don't know how big they are on the inside. And it's not practical. You know, you gotta think about the gas. And if you buying a Trackhawk, you be a fool to buy a Trackhawk when you worried about gas. You know what I'm saying? I gotta be worried about gas, because if I buy a truck, that's gonna be mainly used for road trips. So that's something I have to consider. So, you know, then there was one comment saying that my channel's gonna go down, this, that. Listen, I don't live off my YouTube revenue, bruh. If I lived off my YouTube revenue, I wouldn't have this car. I wouldn't even have a V6 if I had to. I wouldn't have a 2008 V6 Charger if I have to rely on my YouTube revenue, bruh. So I don't care. I don't do anything in my life that requires me to rely on my YouTube revenue. Let's just get that clear. I'm not street speed 717. Like, I'm not making the money that dude make. You understand? The things you guys see me doing stuff, my regular job is supplying the revenue for that and other side ventures that I have. Yes, YouTube do pay me, and it pays me pretty decent considering the views I get, and I'm grateful. That's why I tell anybody, man, just keep going. If you got YouTube, if you're doing YouTube, eventually it'll start paying off, you know. But I don't know, man. It's funny. It just opened my eyes a little bit about the loyalty of the Mopar No Car family. I love y'all, man. It's all good. We're gonna get this car rocking and rolling though here soon, man. I'm just being a little careful of what I'm doing. Like I say, this car's brand new as far as I'm concerned. So I'm not ready to do nothing super crazy to it. So let's just stay positive, man. Let's get some mods done to this car, man. Let's get this thing rolling. I done babied this car long enough. I'm ready to start doing some things to it. You know, I'm thinking about switching up my wheels. I ain't talking about just the tires, I'm talking about the rims. I got some ideas, some things I'm trying to do. If I do decide to put wheels on here, it's gonna be 22s. I ain't going no bigger than 22s. Because I'm not trying to lose the ride. I think this big car can handle 22s. So I got some things coming, man, before the summer end. I know we're getting down to the wire right now. You know, it's already August. So it's time to do what I'm gonna do before it's time to park this joint. So I appreciate y'all tuning in, man. I know y'all was wondering, like, what the heck is Hemi doing, man? He gonna trade in this car? Nah, man, the Scat not going nowhere, bro. This joint ain't going nowhere. Like I said, I'm gonna wait and try to find me a used truck, a Tahoe. Talking to my boys, you know, they like, man, let's get a Tahoe. So we're gonna go with the Tahoe. Just gotta find a used one. I know I can find an older one, but I don't want an older one. I want the new joint. I like the way the new joints look. I can't get a brand new one. They charge too much for them joints. I'm just not willing to pay what they want for a brand new one, but I'll get a used one. But that's gonna be down the line, because right now price is just way too high for used cars. So again, I don't mind people voicing their opinion. Like I said, y'all was getting on me, man. Y'all like, man, you must be crazy, so you'll hear me for a pickup truck, bruh. That's just hilarious to me. But yeah, man, this joint ain't going away, y'all. We gonna start modding this car up a little bit, doing some things to it. Nothing too crazy. Y'all already know how I am, so don't expect me to be doing nothing super. I ain't about to put no 32s on this joint and nothing like that. Nothing wrong with that. That's what you want to do, but that's just not my thing, man. Because again, I like to actually drive my car around and have a little fun in it. And with 32s on, I don't think I can do nothing with no 32s. But I'm not gonna make this video too much longer. I've already been talking long enough, man. But just to clear the air, I'm not selling my car. Not gonna sell this car, bro. Matter of fact, I said, like, I got some things I'm getting ready to do to it. So this is the first time on the channel, man. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.